This is the Ledge Line Matrix 2 for Mega Millions 424 2026. Pick your numbers around the zeros. You can combine two numbers that share the same zero to make a two-digit number. For instance, zero here. Any zero you'll find colored or not. You can connect vertically, 11, okay, diagonally, 17, and 8, okay. Now you can take whatever the number is, 1 to 8, 9, 1, 7, 8, 9, that's next to 0. The number next to that would also be counted as a double number, okay, double digit, okay, 38, 8, 19, 16, 49, 17, okay? Now, there's two ways of doing this as far as I can tell, as far as I've gotten in 30 years. 30 years doing this stuff. Who in the right mind would think you 300 million to 1 odds, they can make it better. I think I can make it better, okay? So, take the ledge lines. Okay, now there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 digits in this line. This one has 12. It creates a ledge right here, okay? This creates a ledge right here. 9, 4, 1, 5, 3 creates a ledge. Okay, 6, 4, 1, or 4 creates a ledge. I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more numbers. Don't ignore these. I just wanted to get another ledge so I could draw my 45-degree lines across to the body of the matrix, okay? And what numbers intersect, what zeros the lines intersect, this zero, these two up here are green. There should be 2 numbers at each of these zeros, okay? Now there may be repeats, 55, 49, 59, 35, 35. I don't know, okay? I do not know. All I know is the ledge lines show a lot. Because this zero is so close to the ledge line, there's going to be a number here. Okay, there's going to be a number here. Now, it may be included with the green. It could be 2 numbers that are the same number that encompass both of these zeros. I don't know. This zero is so close to the ledge line, there's going to be a number here. But also could be included 47, 47, 48, 48. Could also be included with this green one. The green zero says 2 numbers. The red zero says 1. So those 2 numbers are going to bleed into that 0 right there. Okay, there's 1 number here, possibly 2. Okay, there's so many winning numbers on here, it's ridiculous. All your 6 winning numbers will be here. And they're normally going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can tell by the amount of zeros up in here that you're going to have 5 numbers up in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 6 lines, you're going to have 5 numbers. Okay, 6 number may come down here. 10 is the most lines. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 lines is the most you're going to need. Okay, and this is one way of doing it. And it does work. The ledge lines do work. They do give up information. It's just up to us to figure out what information these lines are telling us, okay? As we progress with these type of measures, we will learn more, okay? Hoping that someday these lines will tell us exactly what zeros to look at and point at the right numbers that are around the zeros. I don't know how to do that yet. I'm not sure how to do that yet. There's evidence here, I'm sure. I just not smart enough to figure that out. Okay, but there's probably going to be, because there's 2 red here and two green, there might be 3, 4 numbers right here. Just right there in that corner, okay? A lot of repeats down here, a lot of repeats. You're going to have 5 numbers here, probably 3 times. Probably 3 times. 5 numbers here, 3 times around these zeros, okay? You may have 1 number here twice. But there's going to be repeats of every single number at least 2 times. I wouldn't worry about, well, there's probably a number here, but I wouldn't worry about it. Most of the numbers up in here, okay? There's so many repeats here. It's actually a little bit confusing, I gotta admit. There's a lot of numbers here. This is a very good matrix to start. I've only done this matrix 1 time before, the Powerball, and it was extremely good. Extremely good. And I did a couple more Powerballs, and they were good. And I did Mega Millions, they were good. Numbers were there. So this is one way of doing it. This is a ledge line matrix for 424, 2026 Mega Millions. I will do the 0 to 0 next. The 0 to 0, go 45-degree angle from each zero. Okay, and what zeros point at the other zeros tells me the importance of that zero and how many numbers are going to be around that zero. You can use this by itself. It should be good enough to get your numbers that you need. But I'll also do the 0 to 0, and I will combine them both and totally confuse everybody, just for the fun of it. But when I first did these combined, the legend lines and 0 to 0, I was like, my God, this is crazy stuff. And it was very confusing, but I've actually made some sense of it. So I'm going to separate the two. This is legend line matrix. This should be good to go. All your numbers should be here. 6 lines are up, at least 5 of them. All your numbers should be here. 10 lines and up, all 6 of them. Couple times. They'll be here a couple times, guys. So look for repetition. All right, play on paper as always. Don't waste your money on this. Have some fun guessing. See ya.